Okay, we're back again. And it is snowing. It's coming down pretty heavy.
It's pretty heavy right now.
Yeah.
Jackson is really tired right now.
He's tired. He had a little nap, but it wasn't long enough.
No. But right now we just go to the town.
Yeah, we're gonna go in town to see what's going on.
Well, put some gas off.
Yep, we need gas.
Yes, it's snowing pretty heavy.
But you know, it's not sticking to the road so far.
No, not right now.
Yeah.
But it's pretty cold though, so it might.
Yeah, I mean, it
might get
definitely could,
freeze.
for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Jackson will be talking for a while now. Our plan was to go take you guys to the outlets. However, I don't know if we'll get there today or not.
Maybe not. It's kind of dangerous to be in the road right now.
We might have to save that for tomorrow.
Yeah, we can do that tomorrow.
Yeah, it looks like it's sticking over here on the floor.
And I know they put salt already in the street. And
That's
this
what I thought
one.
we saw. I mean, this is the main road, so.
Yeah, I mean you can see they put salt already, but this is our first snow of the year, right?
Yeah, I mean, we've had flakes on and off. Like a couple days, but I guess if you want to call this the real snow, then yes.
Okay, Jackson, calm down.
Yeah, I can see him in the mirror. I think he went to sleep.
Oh, he did?
I think so. Yeah, it definitely looks like that.
So he was still tired from it.
Yeah, from his nap. He might have just woken up weirdly and started crying. Oh no, he's up again.
No, he's not.
Yeah, I see his eyes. Everything looks like it's moving pretty good here. I mean, it's sticking to the grass, but I feel like when it's on the road, it's just melting anyway. But it's fun. It's fun to see big snowflakes like this. I don't know if you guys can see or not.
The snow is good when you're in the house. Not when you're on the road.
No.
It's kind of dangerous. You never know how
Yeah, I mean the
part of
conditions
the
could
road
be
can
anything.
be. Yeah. It can be freezing, you won't be able to see.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, it's definitely coming down pretty good right now.
Well, they said it was
Like
gonna
way
snow
more than it
an inch.
normally does.
Yeah.
Yeah, an inch is not, you know, terrible or anything.
Well, this is the town. This Wise supermarket. Starbucks is here.
This is the town if you can see anything.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely hard to see now.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's windy too, I think.
Yes, it is windy. This is a gas station. One of them. One of them that we
What
have.
is the 4 that we told
Yeah.
you guys about?
Auto part. No, auto store. Sorry.
I think it's raining now.
Yeah, it feels like rain.
Yeah.
I was gonna say
It's something
that.
like raining in the window. Or is that ice? I can't tell.
I think it's mixed rain
Yeah,
and
it must be.
snow. Yeah. We barely see. You can't see very well.
Not really. I really can't see anything across the
No.
whole parking lot here.
Oh,
Very odd.
I don't know if it's the snow or just.
I can't tell.
Or I guess.
I can't hardly see anything, so I know you guys won't be able to see anything, but maybe we can get something out the window here.
It's a T-Mobile store. This
Animal Hospital,
that's where, yeah.
Tokyo Fire, Grill.
Queen's Bar and Grill. They never open.
But they are open right now.
Yeah.
Another auto store.
I mean, you can see the roads.
It's
Pretty-
already covered.
It's already covered, yeah.
Yeah, it came down pretty fast. But I feel like it's mixed with something here. Just how it's hitting the car. Snow doesn't make that
Yeah,
noise.
it might be rain and snow.
That's Dunkin' Donuts in front of us.
Yeah.
And then over here.
I mean, you can see the Connie trucks already.
Oh yeah, yeah, they're ready to go, but
Yeah.
they're just sitting. And then in front of us is Safeway. That's the other grocery store here.
Good that we went to shopping early.
Yes. I guess everyone else had the same idea.
Yeah, because the store was packed, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah. The Sam's Club was like worse today than it is on a weekend.
I don't know if you guys can see the road's pretty covered already.
Oh, this guy.
They're already cleaning the road.
Yeah, he's putting salt down too.
I think we should go back home because
Yeah, I think we might.
yeah, you don't look like.
I'm not convinced.
No, I don't.
Otherwise.
No. I don't think it's too safe to be out right
No.
now.
No, I think we're gonna go back home. Yeah.
Well, guys,
That's probably gonna be it for today.
like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of our videos. And we're gonna get off the camera now because we are sliding. And we'll catch up with you all tomorrow. Bye bye.